Suezmax crude oil tanker fire killed chief engineer, injured 2. Fire erupted in superstructure of Suezmax tanker MAHARAJA AGRASEN at night April 13 in Mumbai, India, shortly after arrival from Saudi Arabia with cargo of crude oil. Chief engineer died in fire, second engineer and motorman suffered burns and were taken to hospital. Understood fire started in engine room, but no details yet available to assess fire extent and ship's damages. Tanker was taken out of Mumbai harbour and anchored at outer anchorage. At 1000 April 16 she was still at anchor. No SAR ships and tugs nearby, meaning that there's no fire on board, presently. Crude oil tanker MAHARAJA AGRASEN, IMO 9,070,149, DWT 147,467, built 1995, flag India, owner SCI.